Nike Dunk St. John's? That's all we worth, Nike? Really? What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into another video, man. It's always greatly appreciate when you guys pull up to the videos. Come chop it up with your boy, The Vintage. And you guys see the video title. We talking about the St. John SB, or not even SB, just St. John Dunks that they gave us. I think they released a while back, and they gave it to us on the Sneakers Day. We're gonna talk about it. But if you're new to the channel, right now what I need you to do, man, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop over here on the channel. And please leave a huge like on today's video, man. You guys know we try to get 500 likes on every single video. It's so greatly appreciated. Keep your boy motivated, you know what I'm saying? It shows YouTube you guys are actually enjoying the content. I'm gonna go ahead and grab these Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes, not even a DMP 11, just a Gratitude 11. We will be doing a full review on feed coming very shortly. But if you did not know, we are running a giveaway on these things. I think we might get these away right when we hit 80K. We right around the corner. More details to follow, but go ahead and follow the rules for yourself to win a pair of these Gratitude 11s. As soon as we hit 80K, this is what we're gonna do. As soon as we hit 80K, I'm gonna get these things away in your size. So make sure you don't sleep. Follow the rules link down below. Super simple. I just want to give, saying thanks to you guys, give back to you guys. We're going to be going live on YouTube giving this pair away. It's not a fake giveaway. This is a real giveaway. And we're going to be live picking out one lucky winner. It's going to be super important for you guys to have the notification bell lit because you might be the person that win these things. All right, man. So here we have the Air Jordan 4 red cement thing, you feel me? And I was messing up this whole time. I was talking to the homie, the Retro Whiz Kid. I said, bro, I don't know why I keep showing the fire reds. This is literally a red white cement 4. Like they just put wherever the white was at on the, or the gray was at on the white cements. They threw red on here. And that's where we got the red cements. But it is kind of like a reverse fire red, you know what I'm saying? But we did get these on Sneakers Day, September the 9th. This was probably the best sneaker to drop, even though it wasn't even a part of the Sneakers Day restock. They gave us a pair of Dunks, bro. They didn't give us no Travis Scotts. They didn't give us no Lost and Founds. They didn't give us anything that we all wanted as sneakerheads. You guys know we wanted that heat. We wanted that real stuff, you feel me? And they gave us a pair of Dunks, and a lot of people was not feeling it at all. There was a lot of speculation on what we were getting. And of course, I'm bringing you guys that information, talking about rumors that are happening, that are circulating in the sneaker community, so you can be in the best position to hit on whatever it does drop, you know what I'm saying? So I don't never feel bad for dropping rumored videos or, the buzz around what's happening, because you never know, it could happen. If it don't happen, at least you did know what everybody else was talking about as far as restocking for whatever day, Sneakers Day, random, Jordan Reserve, or anything that happens on Nike Sneakers app. I'm trying to give you guys that information just in case, like I said, something does happen. But I gotta say, the worst Sneakers Day in a while, you know what I'm saying? I know last year they dropped the Canyon Purple 4s. I think they dropped the Air Jordan 13 Obsidians. There was another pair that they dropped, but just way better than we getting one pair of Dunks. It was a lot of pairs, like 160 or 170,000 pairs of them joints, but it ain't enough, you know what I'm saying, as far as amounting up to a Sneakers Day, bro. When you think of Sneakers app, when you think of Nike, you think of something explosive, something crazy, and they did not live up to that expectation that everybody did have. That's why a lot of people was, you know what I'm saying, thinking we're gonna get something heat, thinking we're gonna get something crazy, like the Orange Lobsters, like the SB4s, because we know they got pairs still in the vault. I don't know what they saving them for. I don't know when we're gonna get them, but all I know is we did not get anything that we thought we were gonna get. We got a pair of Dunks, and there was a lot of L's going out. It was a lot of L's. You're talking about everybody tuned in to one day on one app, for Sneakers Day, and they only dropped one sneaker, 160 or 190,000 pairs. It ain't enough for the majority of the people. So it would have been dope for them to actually give us more than one sneaker, bro. More than one sneaker. They could even gave us the UNC toes again. They could even gave us the Air Jordan 4 Lightnings, the Thunders. They could even gave us the Air Jordan 1 Palominos as far as, restock, even though they did just drop a couple of weeks ago. They could have did something a lot better to, give it that Sneakers Day feel. Give us that sneaker, that sneakers hype, bro. Sneakerheads want to be hyped. Sneakerheads want to get something that they potentially missed out on, or something that they feel like they really did want a collection. They actually, passed up on an initial drop. So that's why I keep talking about UNC toes, Palominos, Thunders, and the list goes on and on. But like I said, the only thing we did get was a pair of St. John dunks, bro. You guys already know we will be getting the Air Jordan 8 playoffs here shortly. I haven't seen any buzz or any talks about a shock drop. I know I did see people talking about a shock drop, but nothing is confirmed right now. As soon as we get some of that, more concrete information, I would definitely let you guys know. Yeah, I'm in a lot of Discord groups, and like I said, it's been really quiet around the Air Jordan 8 playoffs and the Air Jordan 12 cherries. That's probably the two, I think those are the two remaining sneakers that are up there as far as the hypeness, as far as how many people want it, as far as, sneaker has excitement around sneakers. It's a very highly anticipated 2 drops, playoff 8s that probably won't get as much love, but a lot of OGs out there are gonna be super excited for them, along with the Cherry 12s. They ain't dropped in over 10 years, if I'm not mistaken. And then of course, last but not least, the Air Jordan 11 Gratitudes. And shout out to everybody in the comment section. Like I said, I read all you guys' comments. Shout out to everybody that did let me know, put me on game, what this says on the side of the box. It says, thank you. I don't know if it's in the right direction, but appreciate all the love and support. Thanks for helping me out. I did ask that question. It was about 15 people that said it says, thank you, going down the side, hence Gratitude 11, man. But this is probably the last sneaker of the year that everybody's gonna be talking about. It's gonna be a lot of buzz around them. It is a dope sneaker. Like I said, if you got the Concords, you do have the DMPs, the actual DMPs, you probably do not need these joints. That's just my honest take, my honest opinion. The leather on upper, super nice. The high cut patent leather. It is a nice sneaker, but the Concords, what you need these for? That's just my take, my opinion. You guys let me know how you feel about that down below in the comment section. I appreciate all of the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping in. Please leave all your thoughts and opinions over this trash sneakers day. I know I'm not the only one that's a little bit salty on what we did get. So go ahead and drop all your thoughts and opinions. You guys know I love reading you guys' comments. Love interacting with you guys. Just go ahead and drop it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop, and take full advantage of this Air Jordan 11 Gratitude giveaway. All the rules will be linked down below in the description box, man. Leave a huge like before you slide out of today's video. And with all this being said, your boy The Vintage gonna catch you in next video, man. Peace. Man, I know y'all see the OutRank brand tee that goes perfect with these Air Jordan 4 Red Mint. You guys already know, man, I get you guys right with the apparel. Go check out OutRank brand ASAP Rocky. Use my discount code The Vintage. Save you 10% off your order. And just look at the tee, bro. The tee goes perfect. I'm talking about perfect with these red cement things. You guys, like I said, go check them out. I'm gonna link them down below in the description box. Use that code The Vintage. Save you 10% off, man.